sorry if it's a bit noisy, got the heater on. It's snowing outside again. So we've dropped this subframe out of the Jag XJ, XJ40 1993. Reason I dropped it out was, I'll show you closer. These output shaft bearings here have got play backers unfortunately. I've changed the wheel bearings which help the play a little bit, but they're still playing. I still think it'll fail in MOC. So I've got to change these output shaft bearings here and here. While it was out, I thought to myself, don't know how long these bushings have been in there, but on the other side they're pretty bad, pretty soft compared to the new ones. So I was going to change them as well. Them was a bit of a nightmare to get out. I will show you how to get that one out. I've got to press a new one in. But before I do that, I need to get this to the press. So this section here, I believe comes off. So what I need to do is tick this backwards, and then when it's backwards, I need to undo a few bolts and things to get it off. I'm going to undo this one here, because I believe that holds it on. That one. There's one there, one there, one there, that one there, and then on the underside there's another 6 I think that hold it on. So I'll undo them as well. I think it separates from this joint here. It seems like there's a joint there. I'm hoping just the bottom A-frame, I think it is, comes off and leaves all this here. We're going to do that. We'll get on with that and see how it goes. Even more noise now because the car's running. Just cruising these afterwards, not too bad. Press this one out of there and press the new one in there. So there's a lot of dirt on here, so I'll peel some of this off before I get in the bush here again the new one in. Now I've got a freezer here, I've only got a fridge, and it's snowing outside. So I've put the bush outside in snow. So hopefully that makes it cold enough to fit in there nicely.
What I need doing just with the floor.
Press that out, so we'll clean these up and try and press new ones in. Right, we've got it set up on here, as you can see. This has been outside in the snow, as you can see, so it's nice and cold. We're going to put that on there with that on top, and we're going to press it in. I'm probably going to have to lower this down a little bit actually, so yeah, you're going to have room. So I'm going to set that up, get it all set up. There's the thing that's going on top of that, which is the perfect size. And then we're going to push that into there. I'm going to put a little bit of lubrication on it, but we don't want to push directly on this centre because it might push it out. There is a steel rim around there we're going to push on, so we'll do that. Again, apologies for the noise, that's still sanding going on. So we've got this rig set up. I've put all these in here just because I don't want this to have to come down a wick, and this is the best I can line it up. So we'll put some lubrication around in to help it glide in, and then we'll see if it'll go in. Hello? Hello? Yeah? Now you've got to check the orientation of this, which I haven't done. It's got to be the right way around. I haven't done it, so I'm hoping that it's the right way around. I'm going to stop and check it. So I've got to look at the orientation is the right way around, which I'll show you where it's got to be in a bit. We'll have to get this line back up again and start. The sanding has now stopped, so you can hear me. You're probably going to start again in a bit. Right, so one's pressed in. Now I'm going to press the other one in. This one. And the orientation is the what is the orientation? I think I've got the orientation on that one wrong. I'm going to have to check on my ball bags. Okay, stop that. If I've got that one wrong, it's the one pissing way round. So one's in, we're going to press this second one in. You can see they sit quite far down anyway. Surely to God I shouldn't be able to press that in with my hand. I just pressed it in with my hand.
My God. Is it right in though? No, it's how you in.
It's out all the way in, but it's probably because it's hit this.
Oh.
I suppose it is cold, but I would have thought that was. I could get it the rest of the way.
It's a good start.
Well, that was easy. I'll use the press for the rest. It is the next one, there's the old one. Just press these on its last legs.
It just comes up as a historic shuttle valve, and I tried to clear the faults and it says fault start clear.
Oh.
It's obviously something to do with the shuttle valve then.
And when you go into the IBS stuff on this, it keeps asking you to web tell.
It always asks that. You just ask which one it is.
How installed or something like that.
Right. Now that's all been cleaned off, I'm going to do with some truck bed liner. That's what we paint headliners with. Anybody wants to know? 10 quid a tin. 2 tins will do a headliner. It's quite cold today. Go. So we'll do a couple of coats on that and then flip it over into the other side. That'll make it look nice. When we put it back on, I am going to rub down and paint that as well once the bearings are done. I have took the bearings out, they're over there. I'll show you how to do that on the other side and I'll do it.